Okay, the secrets to wrapping a fig tree before winter. I use carpet foam and carpet padding and actual carpets. All these look like monoliths. So you clip it a little at the top, you tie it together with rope, and then you wrap it around, and then on top of that, you put some black tarp. Let's zoom in on that. There we go. And you wrap that around. You start at the bottom and go all the way up. And you make some monoliths. Each one of these are fig trees. There's another one. This one's particularly monolithic-like. And that's what you do. You get your fig trees ready for the winter time. Here's what one of the fig trees looks like wrapped, and you'll see another one right there. I'll zoom in. There you go. And there's one unwrapped, another unwrapped. Only wrapped a couple. It is time consuming, but worth it if you want your 2 or 3 weeks of figs. There you go. So how to wrap a fig tree for the winter. It works.